So today I'll be unboxing Seagate external USB drive. Um, Now let's take a look at the box first. Here you can see the Seagate logo, expansion portable drive. Sorry, it's a 500 GB capacity and USB 2.0 plug and play. So going to the side, here's the content of the box. Seagate expansion drive, the hard disk itself, quick start guide, USB 2.0 cable, and we get a 3-year limited warranty with this pack. So you can see the MRP over here is about 4,300 rupees. Let's check out the back side. So some of the features are listed. Take all of your files with you on the go. Okay. It's a plug and play, no software needed to install, simply drag and drop to save files, USB powered, and the same thing might have been written in some other language. So it's compatible with Windows 7, Windows Vista, it's USB technology. So here are the dimensions. It's 135 mm in length and 17 mm height. The bottom side is some copyright and trademark information, and again the 3-year limited warranty, and the packaging is completely recyclable. So let's go ahead and open it up. This drive is actually one of my friends asked me to buy it, so I went to a couple of shops and found this one to be much more suitable. So let's open it up. The packaging is pretty normal, the usual stuff. So this is the hard disk. Let's keep it aside for let's check out other stuff. I think this is the user manual. Expansion portable drive. Yeah, it's a quick start guide and yeah, some instructions on how to use the drive. So let's keep it aside and go ahead and open up the drive. Before that, let me figure out how to open it. Okay, sorry, it was pretty simple. It just opens up this way. So this is the actual hard drive, and the USB cable comes along with it. So as you can see, it is a mini USB to USB. So the hard disk connector must be here. Oh, okay, it's over here. It's mini USB to USB. The length of the cable is pretty small, but as it is supposed to be portable, so the quality seems to be decent. So there's a plastic cover on the cable. it's it's kind of sticky. The cable isn't too long, as I have said earlier. It's long enough to like be on your table, and still you will be able to use it without actually holding it in your hand. And this is the actual hard drive. So let's open it up. Sorry about that. It's really hard using only one hand. Okay, let me just pause the video. Okay, I took off the video and I'm now sliding the cover off. Okay, so it The surface is pretty glossy, as you can see. There I am, and the the cover is pretty, the hard disk itself is pretty glossy, as you can see. But the overall build quality and its overall feel and finish of it is really nice and sturdy. um, on the bottom you can see there are four studs for easy grip on whatever surface you want to keep it on. There's some sticker for there's serial number and stuff. Here's the Seagate logo, and yeah, I think there is a power LED somewhere over here, and there is your mini USB tray. Sorry, mini USB port. So this is the product. Um, I, I also have another one of the same capacity hard disk. I actually went on to get two for a couple of my friends. So this one I have used already, and the read write speed seem to be normal, not something to write home about. Uh, but the overall quality and the 3 years guarantee they give, so it's a decent package. For the MRP says it's um, MRP says it's 4,300 rupees, but I got it, each piece I got for 2,900, so it's a decent deal because these are 500 GB hard disk. I went on ahead and asked for 320 GB versions, but the price difference between those two was just a mere about 100 or 200 rupees. Mm, I have another example of Seagate hard drives. Mm, this is my 320 GB portable. I got it like 2 years ago, so in like design and everything has been changed quite a lot, as you can see, but the overall structure, that Seagate logo and everything else is the same. Like I got the same performances from both the hard disks. But so if you want to buy a portable, go ahead and buy a 500 GB version, because the price difference is very less between 320 GB and a 500 GB. And the mark, these are 2.5 sorry, uh, USB 2.0 versions. uh, now USB 3.0 are also available in the market, but that depends on the availability of 3.0 ports on your system. So just check it before you buy. Uh, the 3.5 3.0 versions are pretty much costlier than the 2.0 versions, because those are, I think, almost 2 to 3,000 more rupees more than 2.0. So that's it for my unboxing. Thank you for watching.